Hi dear student, this is your English teacher Monica Das. Today we are going to learn the grammar topic which is relative pronoun. Filling the blanks using one of the words given in the brackets. Where is the child? Dash parents have come to school. Who, whose, which. First, in which place you have to use the word who, and in which place you have to use whose, and in which place you have to use which. This is first you have to know. See my dear students, who and whose you can use to refer human beings. So see here, you should see, if you want to put the right relative pronoun, you should see the word before dash and after dash. See here, they have given the word child, and after dash they have given the word parents. So both are human beings. So maximum in this place you should not use the word which. See, first of all, you have to know what is relative pronoun. Relative pronouns introduce relative classes. The most common relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, that. The relative pronoun we use depends on what we are referring to and the type of relative class. See here, my dear students, why we have to use relative pronoun. If you ask that question with by the help of relative pronoun, you can make a big sentence. Okay. See here, in which place you can use the word who to refer people and sometimes pet animals. Then in which place you can use the word which to refer animals and things. That also same to refer animals and things informal than people. Okay. Then in which place you can use the word whose. Possessive meaning. What is the meaning of the word possessive? Possessive means it's mine, my mom, my bike, my watch. So this is possessive. Okay. For people and animals, usually sometimes for thing in informal situations. And then whom, people in formal styles or in writing often with a preposition, rarely in conversation used instead of who if who is the object. So who, if who is the object, you can use the word whom. Then when the relative pronoun defines the object of the class, no relative pronoun, no need to use. Okay. So the first sentence they have given who, whose, which. I already told which you can use only to refer animals or things. Okay. Here no animals. Here they have given the word child and after that parents. So who or whose, which will come here. So my dear students, listen carefully. I already told that whose, it will mention possessive. So child whose parents. Okay, here whose is the answer. So the first answer is whose. Then the second one, I saw many houses dash were quite spacious. The second, before dash, see, before the dash they have given word houses. This is non-living thing. Then after dash verb they have given auxiliary verb. Okay, so which, whose, who, what will come. I already told that whose and who, maximum these words will refer human beings. Here before the dash you can see the word houses. This is non-living thing, so in this place which only will come. So the second answer is which. Then the third, see, mathematics dash is my favorite subject is also interesting. So who will not come because who will refer human beings, people. So here which are that. See, both are same meaning. So you can use any one. Which and that both are right. In this place mathematics, which is my favorite subject, is so interesting because here you are mentioning the mathematics. So which is your favorite subject. So maximum in this place you can use the word which instead of that. Okay, but both you can use. Okay, so see here the third answer is which. Then the fourth one, the poem dash you read out is so lovely. See my dear students, here also they have given whose, which, that. Whose will refer maximum human beings, people. So whose will not come, and also possessive. So whose will not come. Here which are that. So the poem dash you read out is so lovely. So here also you can use which are that. You can use any one. Okay, both are right because both are, you can use here which animals and things, that people, animals and things in informal. Okay, so the fourth answer is you can use which or that. So here they have given that. Okay, so the poem that you read out is so lovely. So, my dear student, if you read out the sentence, you can analyze which answer will come. Okay, mathematics, which is my favorite subject. So here you can notice the difference between which and that. Mathematics, which is my favorite subject. But here the poem that you read out is so lovely. So my dear students, here you can see the difference which and that. So if you denote a particular subject, you can use the word which, otherwise commonly you can use the word that. Okay, but my opinion, you can use which or that, both are same meaning, because by the help of Google Mother I am telling this. Okay, then see here the fifth one, I know the street dash he lives on. So here whose will not come, because you can see before the dash you can see the word street. I know the street dash he lives on. Okay, here whose will not come, because which will refer human being, that or which. I know the street dash he lives on. So the fifth one answer is which. Okay, because I know the street which he lives on. Okay, so here which will come. And then maximum, if they mention any other places, maximum they will give the word where, but here they have given only whose, that, which, so you can use the word which. I know the street which he lives on. Okay, then I like reading books that have pictures in it. I like reading books that have pictures in it. So I like reading books. You can see the word before the dash, books, then after the dash, have. Okay, so I like reading books which have pictures in it. Then who they have given, who will not come, because which will mention, which will refer maximum human beings. So which are that, you can use both, no problem, both are right. See here, so sixth one, that here they have given, but both are right. Then seventh one, the old lady dash I met in your house is my neighbor. So see here, the old lady dash I met in your house is my neighbor. The old lady, that, which, maximum, both will mention non-living things. Okay, so here they have given only word whom. So the old lady whom I met in your house is my neighbor. Okay, so whom will come. The seventh answer is whom. Okay, my dear students. Okay, but here they didn't give the answer who. I will give one sentence. See here, Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, today we have learned the poem dash writes the poem My Shadow. So you can use the word who writes the poem My Shadow. Okay, this is the example for who. Okay, my dear student, again and again I am telling which and that, both are same meaning, so you can use any one. Okay, both are right. Okay, my dear student, thank you for listening this. We will meet in our next video.